It's a pity if you haven't heard of the US company Plus AI, because they're bringing us closer to the future of unmanned transportation right now. Using AI-based solutions, Plus AI engineers are teaching cars to predict traffic situations just like human drivers do. But with added precision and reliability. The result is a vehicle capable of driving itself perfectly. Don't believe it? Plus AI's robotic truck has already crossed the United States from the Pacific to the Atlantic. During its 4,500-kilometer journey, the driver in the cabin never had to take control. If these trucks become popular, long-haul trucking could see savings of 30 to 40%. Plus, AI doesn't need rest, sleep, or bathroom breaks, which might please some employers, though workers might not be as thrilled. Krona makes commercial vehicles and their components. Take a look at this clever solution their engineers have developed for trailer axles. These axles can be raised and lowered. For instance, when driving on slippery, winding roads, the driver can increase traction by using all available wheels. Here, a Krona specialist explains another use. If the speed goes over 10 km per hour, one of the axles lifts automatically. It's very practical. All of this is made possible by pneumatic shock absorbers. Additionally, for suspensions with Krona axles, the lifting axle mounts are sold separately and can be installed without removing the silent block. ESC Smart is an active safety system designed for buses and trucks. It helps drivers maintain stability during maneuvers and has been so effective that 2 million units have been sold all over the world. But how does this popular system work? It uses data from vehicle sensors like ABS and steering wheel rotation to detect factors that could cause jackknifing, skidding, or rollovers. Then, it automatically uses the engine and brakes to prevent these dangerous situations. Thanks to its adaptability, ESC Smart is helpful regardless of road and load conditions. Ultimately, it makes transportation safer, something we can all appreciate. Blade is an extremely important system, especially for vehicles that operate on the road and often work in unusual locations. Unfortunately, many drivers traveling on the same route can almost go on autopilot, putting themselves at risk of crashing into these vehicles. These accidents can be extremely dangerous. Blade is the best option to avoid a tragic outcome. This system prevents the car from ending up under the truck, greatly increasing the driver's chances of survival. Blade takes only 20 seconds to activate. At speeds below 80 km per hour, the system can be extended even while on the move. Tests have shown that Blade is quite effective, even if an accident occurs at speeds up to 110 km per hour. Additionally, the Doctor air brake system can be purchased alongside Blade. This system instantly locks the truck's brakes when a car hits it, providing an extra layer of safety. Knappen Trailers makes trailers with moving floors, which are great for hauling loose loads and making handling pallets easier. This also helps reduce empty trips, according to the company. Customers can choose from several trailer versions based on their needs, budget, and specific tasks. The Extreme model, for instance, is a robust 3-axle trailer where each axle can carry 27 tons. It's perfect for transporting scrap metal, debris, construction waste, and even end-of-life vehicles. In some situations, a truck with an Extreme trailer can even replace a dump truck. It's no surprise that Knappen Trailers is recognized as a leader in the European trailer market. Miller Industries is seen as the global leader in towing and recovery equipment. One of their notable products is Home's DTU, a versatile hybrid system. When mounted on a tractor-trailer, it can function as either a tow truck or a recovery vehicle. This means that it can tow another truck or pull a stuck vehicle out of a ditch. In tow mode, the Home's DTU can handle a payload of up to 36,300 kilograms. The boom supports up to 16,000 kilograms. Additionally, various optional features can be added, such as toolboxes, a wireless light bar, a 9,000 kilogram winch, and more. Many business owners find switching to an all-electric truck fleet expensive and risky, as powerful and safe batteries are still a work in progress. Meanwhile, diesel trucks have proven reliable. But why not start improving profits and the environment with hybrid trucks? Introducing Centaur, a unit that can be installed on a semi-trailer in just a couple of minutes to turn it into a diesel-electric vehicle. This could save around $53 per kilometer. In other words, the investment would pay for itself in about 103 days. Plus, the Centaur reduces strain on the truck systems, extending its lifespan. The creators of Trailer Tail's aerodynamic technology have also prioritized savings. It turns out that simply opening the panels at the back of the trailer can save 6.6% of fuel at 105 km per hour. For a large long-haul fleet, this adds up to significant savings. Imagine that for every 1,600 kilometers driven on the highway, you'd use 30 liters less fuel. These panels work effectively in all weather conditions. Plus, opening and folding them takes just a couple of minutes. Successful tire retailer Zafco now boasts the largest distribution centers in the Middle East, factories in Indonesia and Thailand, and one of the world's most extensive warehouse networks. To ensure customers always have access to tires, even in emergencies, the company has introduced its own mobile workshop. This truck is actually a mini workshop designed for repairing buses and trucks. Zafco's mechanics can fix wheels, change tires, adjust alignment, and provide proper service. They can even come directly to your house. The Yeti system clears snow and ice almost 10 times faster than a person. It's a game changer for companies with large fleets, as it takes just a few minutes to clean a semi-trailer. The floating head of the Yeti system automatically adjusts to the vehicle and trailer height, as well as the thickness of the snow and ice. This ensures gentle and damage-free cleaning. The controls are user-friendly and don't require much training. Learning the basics, which will be demonstrated by the installation technicians, is enough to operate it. Additionally, the Yeti system is compact, which means that it can be installed almost anywhere. The key is to ensure drivers can easily access the cleaning area without any obstacles. M&I Auto Transport has over 15 years of experience transporting cars across Europe, including working with collectors. They handle complex tasks like moving luxury Porsches, classic cars, and even race cars. Part of their success comes from ensuring maximum confidentiality. The company uses specialized trucks for transport, with several models available. Their most advanced model can carry 6 cars, while a more modest version holds 4. They also offer a single-car trailer with a capacity of 2,350 kilograms. Regardless of the model, the job is done perfectly, thanks in part to their trucks meeting the Euro 6 environmental standard. Sleipner, Finland's engineers have created an all-terrain trailer designed for articulated dump trucks. It's incredibly useful for mining and construction. and has been tested in the tough conditions of northern Finland. The trailer, called the DB45, has several standout features. First, it's a low bed model. Second, it can operate at temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Third, the DB45 maneuvers well in tight spaces. And lastly, it has a load capacity of 45 tons. Now, if a drilling rig breaks down, transporting it to the repair shop will be much faster, and bringing in a replacement rig will also be easier. Experts predict that the consumption of sheet glass alone will increase by about 5% in the next 2 years. This means billions of square meters of glass will be transported worldwide each year. Faymonville's FloatMax trailers help logistics providers, drivers, and loaders manage this task efficiently. Designed specifically for transporting glass, these trailers offer a choice between 2 bracing systems, hydraulic or hydromechanical, and feature independent air suspension. FloatMax comes in various versions, including shortened and intermodal versions. Optional features range from sliding tarpaulins to an auxiliary heater. The basic lightweight version has a capacity of 5,800 kilograms, while the top-tier XXL version can handle up to 10,700 kilograms. The Origam system was created in France back in 2000 for containers and dump trucks. The idea is to quickly and easily cover them with a net. Experts say that Origam is the safest system of its kind. The only manual step is attaching the ropes. However, the manufacturers use their experience and customer feedback to make the system 35% lighter. It now weighs 650 kilograms and offers various types of nets designed specifically for Origam. Don't be surprised that these nets are reinforced and ensure safe transport even for metal waste. Here's an awesome trio to brighten our day: a Volvo truck, a Musmax chipper, and a Kessler crane. In its standard form, this equipment can handle logs up to 4 meters long and 75 centimeters in diameter. The WT11LZ chipper has an interesting protection system. Certain parts are designed to break easily when they hit metal objects or stones, and they can be quickly replaced. With mostly automated operation, a single person can process up to 240 cubic meters per hour. Plus, the truck is great for navigating narrow suburban roads to get to the job site. The creators of ERADS went all out with this system. It's incredibly useful when large amounts of water are urgently needed during an emergency and there's a lake or river nearby. ERADS combines submersible pumps, an electric generator, a compressor, lighting, and other features. Its container-like design makes it easy to transport. The basic version can supply 11,356 liters of water per minute, while the advanced version can deliver up to 75,700 liters per minute. Another great feature of ERADS is its automated system for handling hoses up to 30 centimeters in diameter. Here, 2 workers are carefully lifting and lowering a heavy container. It isn't magic, but the work of the HETEC lift system. In its 260G version, this system can handle up to 15 tons and operate in temperatures down to -32 degrees Celsius. One of the standout features of this system is its 4 supports. You might think that each support could lift a quarter of the total load, But that's not the case. Each support can actually hold 7.5 tons. This approach is the key to the system's excellent safety, and is especially important because the maximum lifting height is limited to 2 meters. Trail King prioritizes its customers' success, so they custom-build trailers to tackle specific challenges. In fact, Trail King created this 13-axle beast with an impressive 54,500 kilogram payload capacity. That's more than 14 Ford F450 Super Duties. Operating such a massive trailer is easier with automatic systems. So, Trail King's engineers have enhanced the automatic leveling feature. Previously, activating this feature was tricky, but now it's controlled remotely. Additionally, the steering angle has been improved from 30 to 34 degrees. We hope Trail King has more upgrades planned, and we look forward to featuring this company in our future videos. With StrapMaster, workers can secure loads 70% faster, saving up to 140 hours per year. That's impressive. Amazingly, it only takes one tool to achieve this, the StrapMaster. Now, workers are more efficient using ratchet straps up to 5 centimeters wide and feel safer working on both large semi-trailers and smaller tilt-covered vans. Plus, according to the manufacturer, using StrapMaster reduces the risk of accidents. The Hammer side loader can handle an impressive 36 tons in just 3.5 minutes, and that's not even its limit. The Hammer 110 has a stacking option that lets workers stack 2 containers on top of each other, reaching a total height of 2.9 meters. There are 2 additional supports for this purpose. Plus, the lifter has a safe working load of 40 tons. There's also a folding model, perfect for 6-meter and 12-meter sea containers. And if every inch of length matters, the Hammer can be mounted directly onto the chassis. Advertising is the driving force behind business, and Lead Innovations' digital billboards prove just that. The company not only sells these billboards, but also offers franchise opportunities. It turns out that mobile billboards are more effective than radio, newspaper, or TV ads. Big names like Universal Studios, Hulu, and T-Mobile are among their clients, proving their impact. Even the smaller versions of these mobile billboards can cover 78 square kilometers and reach areas where there's no advertising from the competition. Reliability isn't an issue either. Lead Innovations builds custom billboard cars and equips them with everything needed, including a 20-kilowatt diesel generator. All freeways and national roads in Switzerland have tolls. Not great news for truckers. Fortunately, local engineers have found a clever way to save money. Take a look at this semi-trailer pulling a flatbed with 3 axles. The idea is to use only 4 wheels when driving empty, reducing toll costs. Plus, this setup causes less tire wear, helping you save even more. A hydraulic system moves the platform, and you can also add a winch. Best of all, the whole structure is easily removable, so the driver can switch back to hauling standard trailers whenever needed.